Yes, good morning children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications and we are dealing with the chapter 2-digit numbers 51 to 100. This is the continuation of the same chapter. Here we are to learn how to write before after numbers, before after and between numbers. See here, take the number 84 here in this and the number which is left to the given number 84 is the before number and the number which is right to the given number 84 is the considered as after number, and this number is the between numbers to the before number and after number. So the number that comes between 83 and 85 is 84. So which is left to the given number is before number, which is right to the given number is after number, and the number between the two before and after number is considered as between number. Now let us write the before number, after number, between numbers for the given number. Write the before number of 65. The number that comes before 65 is 64. 80. The number that comes before 80 is 79. 91, the before number of 91 is 90. 77, the before number of 77 is 76. Already we have learned how to write numbers from 50 to 100. Now 60, after number, right after number. After number of 60 is 61. 72, the after number of 72 is 73. After number of 89. 90. 96, after number is 97. After number of 96 is 97. Here write between number. The number that comes between 52 and 54. 52 after 53. 53 comes between 52 and 54. 69 and 71. The number of 69 after 69 is 70. 70 comes between 69 and 71. 85, 87. 86 is in between 85 and 87. 98 and 100. The number between 98 and 100 is 99. Karthik. Children, we shall learn how to compare numbers. That is comparison of numbers. Comparison is which is big, which is small, like that. See, we know that a tree is bigger than a plant and this watermelon is bigger than an apple because they differ in size. In the same way, you have 6 chocolates and your brother has 8 chocolates. So who has more chocolates? Your brother. So 8 greater than 6. We use 3 symbols for comparison of numbers. That is greater than, 5 greater than 2. 5 is bigger than 2. Less than, 6 less than 8. And equal to. Equal to is 2 lines written one below the other is equal to. And greater than is mouth is opened towards your left hand side, that is greater than, and if the mouth is open towards your right hand side, that is less than, and equal to. With these 3 symbols we shall compare numbers now. A single digit number is always smaller than a 2-digit number. And a 2-digit number is always greater than a single digit number. Put less than, greater than or equal to. See here, 96, 54. Now check the tens place digit first. 9 and 5. Which is big? 9 is big. So 96 greater than 54. 96 is greater than 54. Mouth is always open towards the bigger number only. This is greater than 78, 72. All the tens place digits are same here. Go with the ones place digit 8 and 2. 8 greater than 2, so this is also greater than 78 greater than 72. 56, 84. Compare the tens place digits first. 5 and 8. 5 is smaller than 8. So 56 less than 84. Here also mouth is open towards the bigger number. 96, 90. 96, 98. 9, 9. Now 6 less than 8. So this is also less than 75, 75. Both the numbers are equal here, equals to. So check the tens place digit first. If they are same, go with the ones place digit. Then you can easily put the symbols less than or greater than. Write using symbols less than, greater than or equals to. "51 less than 64. So 51, 64 less than. In this way you have to write 51 is less than, 62 is greater than 68. 62 greater than, 68 is greater than 62. 68 greater than 62. Just we are using the symbol between the given two numbers. "90 equals to 90. 90 is equal to 90. Just we are representing them with the symbols. If it is less than, right hand side, opening should be towards your right hand. Greater than, opening towards your left hand, equal to. In this way you can compare the numbers. So just we are writing symbolically here. And coming to the next concept, write yes or no for the given statements. Write yes or no for the yes or no. From this statement, 72 is less than 68. Symbol is given as greater than, and here it is given as less than. So it is a wrong statement. According to this symbol, it is wrong. 72 greater than 68 is given, and it's written as 72 is less than 68. 61 is greater than 71. Sorry. 61 less than 71 is given, and the statement is written as 61 is greater than 71. So the statement is no. This is also no. "59 is greater than 52. It is right statement. 59 is greater than 52. So it is right statement. You can write yes. So according to the symbol and the statement, you have to check whether it is right or wrong. Now we shall learn how to write numbers in ascending order and descending order. Yes, children, already we have learned the comparison of numbers, which number is big, which is small. If you know that, here are a set of numbers which are to be arranged in ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from small to big. We have to start from the smallest number and write in the order of increasing order. Ascending order is nothing but increasing order. Here is a set of numbers: 72, 64, 81, 53, 92. Now check the tens place digits of all these: 7, 6, 8, 5, 9. So among these, which is small? Which tens place digit is small? Whose tens place digit is small? 53, that is 5 is the smallest number among these. So write it first. AO is ascending order, 53. Next among those, 7, 6, 8, 9. 6 comes next, 64. 6 is in the tens place. Next comes 72, 81, 92. 7 comes next, 72. 8 and 9. 8 in the tens place, this is smaller than this, so 81 comes next, 92. The smallest number is 53 and the greatest number is 92 in this set of numbers. And coming to here, next set, take the set of numbers 82, 74, 91, 70, 63. So check the tens place digits: 8, 7, 9, 7, 6. Among all these, 6 is the smallest digit in the tens place. 63 comes first. Now come to this 8, 7, 9, 7. There are two numbers with 7 in the tens place. Then check the ones place digit: 0 and 4. Which comes first? 0. So next comes 70. And then among the remaining, 74 comes next. And in this to 82, 91. 8 in the tens, 9 in the tens place. So 8 comes next, 82 and 91. So among this set, the smallest number is 63 and the greatest number is 91. And come to the next set: 78, 63, 54, 95, 81, 68. So check the tens place digits: 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, 6. So among all these tens place digits, 5 is smallest. It comes first. Next comes 6. We have two 6-digit numbers. We have two numbers with 6 in the tens place digit. So check the ones place digit 3 and 8. Which comes first? 3 comes first. Write 63 next. Next comes 68. Now compare these 7. Next 3 numbers are left over here. 7, 9 and 8. Which comes next after 68? 78. Among 9 and 8, 8 comes first. 81, 95 last. So smallest is 54 and greatest is 95. So in this way you can arrange a set of numbers in ascending order. No. Yes, children, we shall go with descending order now. Descending order is nothing but writing a set of numbers from bigger to smaller, just in reverse order of ascending order. You have to write from big to small. Here is a set of numbers 86, 72, 53, 91, 64. So we have to start with the biggest number first in descending order. Underline the tens place digits in these. 8, 7, 5, 9, 6. Which is big? 9 is big. So 91 comes first. Next biggest number is 8 in the tens place, that is 86. Next 72 and 64, 53. This comes 7 in the tens place, this comes next 72. Among 53 and 64, 6 is in the tens place, 6 is bigger. So 64 comes next. The smallest number is 53. Smallest is 53 and greatest is 91. And in the next set of numbers 68, 94, 72, 63, 81, 70. See here 6, 9, 7, 6, 8, 7. Among this set of numbers 9 is biggest number, so 94 comes first. And in the tens place next comes 8, 81. And now come, there are 2 numbers with 7 in the tens place. Then compare the ones place digit 0 and 2. So which is big now? 2 is big, so 72 comes next. Next comes 70. And 68, 63, we have 2 numbers. And compare ones place, 8 and 3. 8 in the ones place, 3 in the ones place. Which is big? 68 is big, 8 in the ones place. So write 68 and last comes 63. Smallest is 63 and biggest is 94 in this set. And here is another set of numbers 74, 93, 52, 87, 58, 63. 80, 81. Now underline the tens place digits first. 7, 9, 5, 8, 5, 6, 8. Among all these, 9 is in the tens place in 93. This comes first. Div. Next, check the numbers. 87, 81, 8 in the tens place. We have 2 numbers with 8 in the tens place. Go with the ones place. 7 and 1, which is big? 87. Next comes 81. Next, compare the numbers. So leftover numbers are 74, 52, 58, 63. So 7 in the tens place comes next. 74. Next comes 6 in the tens place, that is 63. Next, there are 2 numbers with 5 in the tens. So go with the ones place, 2 and 8. So which is big? 58. Next comes 52 finally. So smallest is 52, greatest is 93. So in this way you can arrange the numbers, given set of numbers in arranging order and ascending order and descending order. Many exercises are given in the textbook from 74 to 82. Many exercises are given and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.